Good morning students, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the blessings of God. So students, today I am going to teach you history, chapter number 3 from your NCERT book, Making a Global World. This chapter is one of the important chapters in your history book. So before getting inside this chapter, some points I would like to discuss with you. That today we are passing through 21st century and the entire world has become modernized in technology, science, medical science, economy, trade and commerce, education, and you have noticed that it is quite clear or vivid before us that the entire world passing through a phase that is very much modern. Our cuisine, our food habits, everywhere, all over the world. So, can you ever think about this factor or these factors, that how come it is possible? How come one civilization under one umbrella? We are the inhabitants of one world, and how the entire world or the globe, it has been concentrated or united. This question arises in our mind, that how it is possible. Huge world, so many continents, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, and later on one, that is surplus one, that is Antarctica. But main 6 continents, how these 6 continents, those are united. The question is always, it is appearing before us, or these questions click our mind, that how come it is possible that we are passing on the same track. Maybe languages are different, color, creed, racial discrimination is also there, color of our skin, languages, food habits, but the economy, trade and commerce, these are the main factors. The entire world is based on these factors. So why and how it is possible, how it is possible actually. So since the ancient time, when monarchical system was there, since the ancient time, I am talking about world, not only India, many travelers, many priests, traders, businessmen, pilgrims, they used to travel all over the world. That time sea route was not common, it was not in vogue. So on foot or bullock cart, where bullock cart, this practice it was common, or horses back, but later on horses back it started. But they used to travel on foot, they used to cross, they used to challenge many dangerous geographical features. Many dangerous natural features they used to challenge, they used to face, they used to counter. They crossed the boundaries and they traveled all over the world. Many countries, European countries, Asian countries. So whenever these travelers, those pilgrims, those priests, so wherever they used to visit, they stayed there for some time. Sometime is not 10 to 20 days or 3 weeks, 1 month. Years they used to stay. And whenever they used to stay in that particular country, those were foreign lands, they were strangers, they were aliens, but they used to spend 1 year, 2 years, maybe 5 years. So they observed the lifestyle, the trade and commerce, their thoughts, their thinking, their liking, their cuisine, their food habits. Those travelers, those traders, pilgrims or priests, so they were quite accustomed to the lifestyle of that respective country, and many of them, they used to adopt their food habits, they used to adopt their lifestyle, and simultaneously they wrote diaries as record. They wrote diaries, and their diaries and their whatever they used to express, used to narrate in the diaries, those have become the history. Then we come to know about the people, the inhabitants of the respective countries, their lifestyle, their religion, their food habit, their economy, their trade and commerce. Since the ancient period, all over the world. So if we take reference of India, guys, you have already heard about Harshavardhan, the king of Thaneshwar. During the reign of Harshavardhan, Hue and Sanghi came here, he visited India and he stayed here for years. He was very much acquainted with the contemporary system, and he has written the diary. Whatever he wrote, mentioned in the diary, because he was a Chinese traveler. Then those are that record, it has been noted as history. Then we come to know about the rule of Harshavardhan, about the rule of the ancient period, the economy, the trade and commerce, the society of ancient period. Then Gupta period, during Chandragupta, Fahian, he came from China. He also stayed here for several years. The same as Hiuen-san, the same Fahian also. After that, the medieval period, the Mughals came to India. During Mughals, many travelers they came and they noted down in their diaries. We come to know during Sultanate period, Ibn Battuta he came. Ancient period, Alexander the Great, he had sent his ambassador Megasthenes. He also came. Later on, during Renaissance period, Marco Polo, he was one of the sailors. That time, that sea route already introduced. So Marco Polo, he was the traveler. He explored many countries, Western countries. Vasco da Gama, he reached here, a Portuguese sailor. He reached here in Calicut, in India. So like this, many travelers, Abul Fazl also. So those travelers, those pilgrims, those preachers, they came, they traveled all over the world. Then we come to know about Christopher Columbus. You have heard the name of Christopher Columbus, who discovered America in 1492. Before that, it was just a land. There was no name. After Columbus, he discovered that land named as America. You know that.